If you are new to tech or planning to listen carefully, these are the biggest beginners' mistakes in tech and how to avoid them so you don't waste your time. Number one, trying to learn everything at once. You want to learn web development, you want to learn AI, you want to learn cybersecurity, cloud, Python, app development, all at the same time. That only leads to confusion, burnout, and zero progress. You see, take reward focus, not scattered energy and effort. Pick one skill, stay with it for like 3 to 6 months, build projects, then expand. For example, if you are learning front-end development, build like 5 for the websites. Each one should be better than the last. Number 2, watching tutorial without building. This is called tutorial hell. You watch many videos, but you still can't build anything by yourself. You see, knowledge without action is a fake progress. After every tutorial, you are meant to build something immediately. For example, if a tutorial shows you how to build a to-do app, don't just copy it. Add your own features, make it yours, personalize it, customize it to your own taste. You learn by doing, failing, fixing, and repeating. Number 3, asking for help without trying. You see, many beginners ask questions like, please fix this error for me. But they have not tried reading the error or searching online or using AI tools or testing solutions. You know, people don't read errors. They don't even read agreement. They just, especially Nigerians, they will just, agree. That is wrong. Tech is about problem solving. If you never struggle, you will never grow in it. It's part of the learning. You must struggle in order to grow in it. When asking for help, say something like, I tried this, and here's what happened. Please help me. You see, people help you faster when they see your effort. In reality, that's how it is. So it's the same thing in tech. Number 4, learning tech only for money. Of course, money is a part of the reason why you're learning tech, and money is a good motivation. But if it is the only reason, you will quit when things get tough, because learning tech takes time. So you have to build a skill first, solve the problem, then create useful things. The money will come, because these are things that attract money. Like I said, tech is about solving problems. Number 5, comparing yourself to others. For example, because you start learning at the same time with somebody and that person is learning faster than you, or someone already got a job in 2 months of learning, or someone is building an app in 3 months of learning. My friend, relax. Your journey is not a competition when it comes to tech. It is a growth process. 1 hour every day is better than many hours once in a while. That is what they call consistency. And because consistency beats speed. Number 6, not building a portfolio. You see, certificates are nice, but projects is what gets you the job. Your portfolio shows what you can actually do. It shows your workings. Do you understand? It shows your experience. So try to have at least 3 small projects that you have done, 1 medium project, 1 project that solves a real problem. Just try to have something there, a project that you can actually do for people for free, so that you can have that particular portfolio. Share those things on LinkedIn and on your social media platform. Let people see your works. Those kind of things attract brands, attract remote jobs. So a lot of people think that getting remote jobs is only on LinkedIn. No, when you post your job on social media, people see your workings. These are part of the things that attract people. Number 7, learning only theory. You see, tech is practical. Don't just learn. Apply what you have learned. For example, if you have learned Python, try to be automating some tasks, on your own. If you have learned HTML, try and build, website. If you have learned AI tools, try and create a real product, create something. It's very important. If you want to succeed in tech in 2026, focus on one thing. Build a real project, stay consistent, and document your journey. You don't need to be perfect. Just make sure you don't stop. You are welcome.